We just got the weekly candle close here for Bitcoin Sunday night, December 7th, and we are in fact in a better position than we were this morning. This morning we were worried that Bitcoin was below some key support levels on the daily time frame and the 8-hour time frame to mean that there might not really be a good shot of us having a continued rally into rate cuts on December 10th. Right now, it looks more possible. So the weekly candle close, though, let's talk about this and analyze it. This is what you would call a doji candle. It's a doji candle that's leaning a little bit more to the bullish side. Now, what is a doji candle? It's when you're basically all wick on both sides. It is an indecisive candle. It means that the market didn't really know this week if it wanted to slam down further or go to the upside. When you have it at the end of a bearish run or reverse at the end of a bullish run, it typically means that there's a slowing of momentum of the current run that you were just in. So this is a slowing of momentum of bearishness and could be perceived as a bullish sign, particularly since the body of the candle, which is barely visible, is not in the middle. It is slightly upward. This is a doji candle that is leaning bullishly. And also, the stochastic RSI is very oversold, which is also a good sign. But do keep in mind our MOXY indicator, which is a measurement of momentum, is very bearish below the zero. Now, on the daily time frame, what we were talking about was Bitcoin being below the 12-day and the 21-day exponential moving averages. But in the last few hours of trading, we got right up to the 12-day and are currently holding it as support. Bitcoin did just barely enough in the last inning, if you will, if you understand baseball references, if you're an American, to get at a support level that we can use as a trampoline to maybe have a chance of having a little bit of a pump into rate cuts on December 10th. And when we look on the 8-hour time frame as well, we can see that we're in fact above the 15 and the 21 exponential moving averages, while our stochastic RSI, which is a very good bottom indicator, is oversold. We do have enough runway here and a trampoline to potentially get that move upwards to about $98,000, $96,000 or so. Because that is still the target that makes Binance and other centralized exchanges, but mainly Binance, the most amount of money in the short term. So if you believe markets are manipulated, come on, if you don't believe it, grow up, right? This is where the carrot is for the market overall. But despite me thinking that the possibility of us getting a run here for at least a few days more is here, and it is totally possible, that door is open, we just got to step through it. What level do we need to get above in order to theoretically step through it and have that move? We need to get above the 21-day exponential moving average sitting at $92,000. $92,000 is the doorway to walk through.